Greetings of the day, everyone. I'm Jayashree, a student of pre-result batch CA Inter Masterminds. So the video is all about the benefits that you can gain of a CA Inter pre-result batches. So after completion of CA foundation exams, you'll have a break of 40 to 50 days for the announcement of results. But when you're idle for these many days, you'll definitely get deviated because of many OTT platforms or social media or many other things. But when you join in pre-results batches, you will definitely be in the mood of study. Even if you get a negative result, when you go back for revision of CA foundation, you can get the mood very easily and you can revise the topics very easily. But when you are not in the mood of study for these many days, you cannot come into the mood very easily and it gets very difficult later on. And when coming to the post-result batches, after coming for those many days, they'll definitely take so much time to come into the mood of study. It will nearly be 1 to 1.5 months to get back to the mood and to cope up with all the classes and mingle with everyone. But when you join it in pre-results batches, it will be very easy and very flexible for understanding and coping up with all the topics of the CA Inter syllabus. And we know very well that CA Inter syllabus is very vast. It definitely needs so much time for the syllabus completion. But when you join in the post-result batches, you'll definitely have less time for the completion of the syllabus. So there is a constraint of time in the post-result batches when compared to the pre-result batches. In pre-result batch, you can complete the syllabus very fast when compared to the post batches. When the syllabus gets complete fast, you'll have ample time for revision. So when you have ample time, you can write more exams, which gives you more practice for the final exam. This helps you to cope up with the final exam standards and perform well in the final exams. Uh, when you join the pre-result batches, you'll also have the benefit of listening to the degree classes. For a half day, you'll be having CA Inter classes, and for the remaining half day, you'll be having degree classes. This helps you in the coaching of degree even, and you can write even your degree exams well. And on Sundays, you'll be having PDP programs, which is personality development programs, which helps you improve your language and communication skills. We all know very well that CAs need communication skills very well. This is the most important thing that helps a CA for communication or mingling with everyone. So, uh, those students of pre-results batches will be conducting PDP programs every Sunday on different topics and different competitions, and they will be given many prizes even. So this helps even in the communication skills and even the personality development of the student. But you can't find this benefit in the post-result batches, and this reduces their time and syllabus completion period. By coming later on, and and also on Sundays, only on Sundays weekend exams will be conducted. So you can have break for the rest of the half day, which gives you a boost for the remaining weekdays. But for the post-result batches, there will be a need of conducting classes even on Sunday, which there will be no chance for giving break for them. And while coming to the groups attempting, pre-research batches students can attempt both the groups at a time because they'll be having ample time for revision. But the post-result students cannot attempt both the groups at a time because they'll take so much time for syllabus completion and there will be less time for revision. This reduces the chances of attempting both the groups at a time. So those students who are willing to attempt both the groups at a time, it is highly advisable for them to join pre-results group. And then after, in the course of CA, we definitely need motivation every day because we get deviated or depressed many times because of many reasons. So our directors will be continuously motivating us in pre-results batches, where you can't find it in post-result batches because just the time constraint makes all the differences between the pre and post batches. And then after, those students who are not at all willing to waste their time, you must definitely opt for pre-result batches because You'll have more time for revision. Syllabus gets completed very fast. You'll write more revision examination. You'll get more revision time. You can attempt both the groups at a time. And there are many other such advantages which you can gain from pre-result batches and post-result batches. I can't say you don't take post-result batches, but those who are very much confident about the result, please opt for pre-result batches because it gives you so much benefits in the future. Uh, so I hope you take a wise decision and join the pre-result batches. And it is highly advisable from my side to all those students who are highly confident about their result. Thank you so much.